All right, I got the 12 pairs of kids wristbands right here. Here's two of them right here. We got pink and yellow. And I'm actually, before I even get into this, I'm going to angle this down so you can see all the different colors. So there's two of each, but we've got blue right here, white, red, green. Got a different color blue. Got sort of a yellowish, maybe like an orangish. You got yellow here, pink, black, sort of like a purplish, bluish, light blue, and gray right here. So all in all, there's a total of 12 pairs. They look really nice. They feel really nice. Let me just put one of them on me right now, just so you can see the way it looks on me. And very easy to put on. They fit basically all sizes of wrists. And these are especially great for kids. Great for if they're playing any sports. They can use them while they're playing sports. Great party favors. They could be like, these could be like the team colors or something. They could have these to show their different team colors. But they are great for water absorption as well. For if they're sweating, it's going to absorb the sweat. And it's about the dimensions. I believe it's about a little, just slightly over 2.5 inches this way, slightly under 2.5 inches this way. So just really nice wristbands, very comfortable, and they're great. Highly recommend.